So what's up guys, welcome to the channel. This video is basically a beginner tutorial, and what we just want to do is to draw our first architectural plan. So the first thing you need to know is what do you actually want to have on your plans. So imagine you actually want to draw like a two-bedroom plan. So what we need to know first is, okay, what do we actually want to have on the plan? So let's say we're going to be having the living room, we are going to be having the kitchen, we are going to be having the rooms, we are going to have, let's say we have a visitor's toilet. So what else is that all? Okay, we have the entrance and we have an exit. So all of this is what is actually going to make up of a 2-bedroom, just a single flat. So it depends on how creative you are or how you've been trying to grow on drawing your plan. So let me just move to the second page. So drawing your plans, you need to observe your setbacks. And for the front, here in Nigeria, that's how we do it. From the front, you use 6 meters. For the back, 3 meters, and for the sides, you use 3 meters too. So those are the criteria. 1, 2. It depends on the size of your plot. So you need to know how you can insert your design on the plan. So then after you understand if it is actually a plot, 2 plots, hectares and acres, and it's just you knowing how you can put what you want to put on the plan. So let's move to the next page and just go straight to our plan. So the thing you need to have in your mind are what do you actually want to have on the plan. So we know we have the rooms, the kitchen, the entrance, and every other thing. So, and it depends on where the road is. You know, all of those things are actually things you need to. Maybe I'll make another video on that, on things you need to consider in drawing your plan. But this is just a beginner tutorial to draw a plan. So let's say this is the land that we actually want to use. You already have your setbacks. This is 3 meters, and to the side too 3 meters. Now let's try and draw just a very simple thing to do. So the first thing you need to do is so let's say that's going to be our entrance, and okay, can we just make it to be the door? Yeah, so it depends on how you actually want to do that. So we can say, okay, we have here to be, okay, let's do it like this. This is going to be like the lounge. Let's make this the dining. Let's make this to be okay, let's try to do something like this. What if we make this the toilet, and we make this the room, the first room, and we can just try and do something around here too. We can have something like this. So we can just have like an exit here, and we can have There's just a small area here for the kitchen, and the room. And we have a toilet, and we can have another door to go here. The door here can be here, and we have another door to be here. You can make this like an open arc to get to the kitchen or to get here. And the dining, you can put a door if you want, and the entrance like a double door. And to the room we can just have, and to the toilet we can have that. And for our windows, I just tried out something like this. I told you it's a very simple thing we're doing here. So this is going to be like an arc. That's it. Here we can have a arc. So here we can just have like a small window, and then we have like two windows here. We have a window here. We can actually have an exit here. Sorry, forgot to put that. For the door, for the rooms, we can have that, and there's a slide window here. For the dining, we can have that, and this is just going to be like the step up. Yeah. So this is just basically something very simple you guys can draw on AutoCAD or on Revit. So I have some other videos on Revit and AutoCAD and some structural designing softwares. So you guys can actually check into it. It's a very simple plan. Just try and check it out. So I want you guys to please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you guys later in some other tutorials. So if you actually have any question you want to ask, you can beat me, type your question on the comment section. So subscribe to the channel.
watch your back.